everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. In this video we're going to do a nice little routine you can do to loosen up any tightness around your neck, your shoulders and your back, to feel more movable and simply just feel better. To begin with, you find a comfortable seated position. You can sit like I do on a yoga mat. You can sit on a blanket if you prefer, or a yoga block. Just make sure you sit comfortably. You don't have to sit like I do, so if it doesn't feel good in your knees, you can always straighten out your legs. And for a moment, just let your hands rest to your thighs. Close your eyes. And let your attention drift a bit deeper inwards. Focusing on every inhale and every exhale as they come and go. Taking some deep breath in by your nose. And some long, slow exhales by your mouth. Deep breath in. And long, slow exhales. On your next inhale, you let your arms float out to the side and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Relax your knees towards the ground, relax your hips. Take another deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow exhale by your mouth. And then from here, you interlace your fingers. On an inhale, you stretch your arms right in front of you. You push your palms away from you. Just get a nice stretch for your back here, wrap around your shoulders, maybe a bit to one side, or a bit the opposite way. Just nice and easy. On an inhale, you stretch your arms towards the sky, nice and high. Maybe gaze towards the sky. Relax your shoulders down, even though you stretch your arms up. And keep breathing. On an inhale, maybe you stretch a bit higher. And then you let your fingers glide apart as you exhale, bring your arms behind your back. Again, interlace your fingers and then you stretch your arms behind you. Loosen up your neck, opening up your shoulders. Maybe a bit to the right, a bit to the left. And keep your breath flowing. On an inhale again, you release, reach your arms towards the sky. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Just take a breath here. And then we do the same thing 2 more times. Inhale, you interlace your fingers, stretch your arms in front of you. Push your palms away and just get a nice stretch. Just move around how it feels good. Make sure you get into any kind of tight spot you might have. Just get a nice stretch here. On your next inhale, again, you stretch your arms towards the sky. You can turn your gaze towards the sky. Get a nice stretch, a nice opening here. And even though you stretch your arms up, you relax your shoulders down towards the ground, away from your ears. Opening up. Take another deep breath as you stretch your arms maybe a bit higher. And as you exhale, you release your fingers, bring your arms behind your back, and again, interlace your fingers, and then stretch your arms behind you. Opening up, release your neck, open your shoulders, your chest. And just take some long, deep breath. Relax your neck. On an inhale again, you lift your arms towards the sky. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Roll your shoulders back and down. Just notice your heart pumping. One last time, interlace your fingers. On an inhale, you stretch your arms in front of you. You press your palms away from you. Just get a nice stretch here. Move anyhow it feels good. Some long, deep breath. On an inhale again, stretch your arms towards the sky, nice and high. Open up here, relax your shoulders. Maybe gaze towards the sky. Open up. On an inhale, you stretch maybe a bit higher. Let your fingers glide apart and bring your arms behind your back. Again, interlace your fingers and then stretch your arms behind you. Relax your neck. Just let your shoulders open up and breathe. And one last time, release and reach your arms towards the sky as you take a deep breath in. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Maybe gentle rock from side to side. Notice your heart pumping. And then you let your hands rest to your thighs. Relax your shoulders back and down. And gently open your eyes. And from here you come to all four on your hands and your knees. And if it feels sore for you to put weight on your knees here, you can always put a blanket underneath your knees if it feels better. Just spread your fingers nice and wide. And then start moving your spine around anyhow it feels good to move. You can round it, you can arch it, move over one side or the opposite way. Again, just get into any tight spots, any sore places. Lots of movement to your spine. Let your breath flow and relax your neck. Relax your jaw, soften your face. Just simply move how it feels good here. How it feels good in your body. And then from here you bring your hips to your heels, coming into a child's pose. Just take a few breaths. Your hands to the front of the yoga mat. You can drop your forehead to the ground. Maybe gentle sway side to side. Breathe and easy. On an inhale, you lift up your chest a bit. And then you bring your right arm underneath your body. Lean down to the right side of your shoulder, right side of your head. And just take a few deep breaths here. Maybe it feels nice to walk your left hand a bit more to the front of the yoga mat. Just adjust the position, how it feels best for you. Let your hips sink towards your heels and just take a few long deep breaths here. Getting a nice stretch in the right side of your body. Taking some deep breath in. And some long, slow exhales. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow exhales. Just go into the stretch. And as you exhale, release, letting go of any kind of tightness in this side of your back, around your shoulder. Another deep breath in. And long, slow exhale. On your next inhale, again, you come back to the middle, bring your both hands in front of you, just for a few breaths into your child's pose, maybe gentle sway side to side. On an inhale, again, you lift up your chest, and then we do the same thing left side. So you bring your left arm underneath your body, lean down to the left side of your shoulder, left side of your head, and place your right hand where it feels most comfortable. Maybe walk it a few tiny little steps more to the front of the yoga mat. Maybe it even feels nice to rock a bit here, side to side. And again, just take some long deep breath in by your nose. And long slow exhales by your mouth. Letting go of any kind of tightness around your shoulder blade and to the side of your back, to this left side of your back. Deep breath in. And long, slow exhales. Relax your hips towards your heels. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow exhales by your mouth. On your next inhale, again, gently you come out of this one. Again, both hands in front of you. Come back into your child's pose just to even out the two sides. Maybe gentle sway side to side. On an inhale, you lift up your hips, come to all four. But then you walk your knees a bit towards the back of the yoga mat, maybe the hands more to the front. So you can drop your hips down. You can come all the way down to your belly and your chest. And then stretch your arms behind your back, interlace your fingers. Lift up your chest, and like you did in the seated position, Stretch your arms behind you. Release your neck, open up your shoulders. And breathe in nice and easy. And if you do this routine and you have a baby in your belly, obviously you don't come down on your belly. You can just do this in a seated position. Just take it nice and easy. Again, just release and bring your palms to the ground. Relax your shoulders back and down. Inhale, lift up halfway, cobra pose. Just a few breaths here, maybe some gentle moves. Again, you drop all the way down to your chest and your belly. Relax your shoulders back and down. Inhale, stretch your arms, open up into a nice up dog, open up the front. And again, lift your hips and make your way back to your child's pose. Just a few breaths. On your next inhale, you roll up to sit on your heels. Relax your shoulders back and down. And if it doesn't feel comfortable to sit on your heels like I do, you can always sit in a tailor position, or however you sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders down. Now take a deep breath in, reach your arms out to the side and all the way up high. And as you exhale, you take a twist to the right side. Place your left hand to your thigh, your right fingertips behind you. Inhale, sit nice and tall, feel the length of your spine. And exhale, easy, gently twist as you look over the shoulder behind you. One more deep breath in, feel the length of your spine. And exhale, easy, gently twist. On an inhale, back to the middle, lift your arms towards the sky. Exhale, twist to the left side, bring your right hand to your thigh, left fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. One more deep breath in, feel the length of your spine. And exhale, easy, gently twist. On an inhale, back to the middle again, you reach your arms towards the sky. And as you exhale, this time you bring your hands behind you. Bring your palms towards the ground. So your fingertips are pointing towards your hips. Inhale, you press your palms against the ground as you lift your chest towards the sky. And you can lift your hips up too if it feels good. Nice opening here. Relax your neck. Just take a few deep breaths. Open up the front here. And again, slowly, gently bring your hips back down. Coming all the way up to sit. Relax your shoulders. Just take a breath here. Relax your hands to your thighs. And then you come to a comfortable seated position, just like you started. Make sure you sit comfortably. As the very last thing together, take a deep breath in, let your arms float out to the side and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in by your nose. And a long, slow exhale by your mouth. Just simply notice your heart pumping. And then thank yourself for taking your time for your yoga practice today. And whenever you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. Namaste. I hope you feel all over good in your body. Get some nice relaxation for your neck and your shoulders and your spine, some nice opening. Thank you for joining. Take care. Hopefully see you soon.